Have you ever thought about diving into the world of fitness supplements, but didn't know where to start? Well, let's unpack the exciting landscape of white label fitness supplements. This approach lets you sell products made by others but branded with your own name. It's a fantastic way to create your product line without the hefty manufacturing costs. Imagine launching your brand with just a few smart choices. The demand for supplements is skyrocketing as more people prioritize health and wellness. You can tap into this trend with ease, offering everything from protein powders to energy boosters. Plus, white labeling means you can quickly adapt your offerings to meet changing consumer preferences. But here's the kicker. Strong branding is key in this competitive space. Your brand identity, from your logo to your mission, can really set you apart. So, if you're ready to take the plunge, remember to do thorough market research, choose quality suppliers, and develop a unique voice for your brand. Ready to turn your idea into reality? Start small, set achievable goals, and take that first step today. Your journey to success in the fitness supplement industry starts now.